In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Citibank reward points. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is simply go and log in into your Citibank account. And you'll need to go to citi.com, make sure to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to go and open one. That's probably, once you're in this video, you probably have an account. For the mobile, it's going to be the same. You'll have to log in using user ID or touch ID or even face ID if you enable both. And you can, of course, register to an account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll need to download the app through Play Store or App Store. So other than that, as an example, for me here, let's say I'm just going to log in. This is just a demo account. So it may not have like all the features. Just gotta keep this in mind. And of course, like the demo account doesn't provide like the reward system, but I just like show you here that you can access demo accounts if you want to try some various stuff before even opening an account. So other than that, of course, to check your reward system or rewards as an example. So first of all here, like how it works, of course, you need to have, first of all, a thank you card to earn some points. If you don't have that card specifically, you'll not be able to get any points and you'll not be able to use them. And of course, you will have then to see how much uh, point you have, you'll have to go to thankyou.com as they showed us here. So example, in step 2, you'll have to go to thankyou.com. And of course, you can do that as example on your Citi mobile app as example to view the points balance. You can simply explore the available redemption options on how you can redeem that. Of course, you can redeem those points as you can see on all the gift cards. A lot of gift cards here you can see. Of course, you can simply sign on here to thankyou.com on Citi. So you can redeem them right away. Of course, you can just come here and click on sign on. And once you sign on, even here, you'll be able to see them right away as an example. So as you can see, when I type like thankyou.com, I'll find myself here. So I'll have to log in into my account. Once I logged in into my account, I'll be able to see, first of all, my points, how much points I have, and where I can spend those points. So you'll have to go to thankyou.com. They'll take you to wherever you need to, and you can click on sign on into your account, and you'll be able to redeem and even see your rewards. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.